Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of our home here at 4D Farms, where we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Y'all come on in and see what we're all about, because we want our channel to encourage you and inspire you on your journey. If you see something that you like, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. That helps our channel grow and reach more people. If you want to subscribe, and if you think other people can benefit from our videos, please share them. Y'all, we hope to see you in each and every video, and most of all, thanks for watching. Hey y'all, Tracy here, keeper of the home at 4D Farms. Welcome to today's video. Y'all, today I'm going to show y'all how to make the quickest meal, and it'll be on the supper table just like that, and they won't know what hit them. It's easy to put together. Y'all, it's just a taco lasagna. All I'm going to do, not with noodles, it's just taco lasagna with tortillas. And I'm going to show y'all how I prep everything, I assemble everything, and then the last thing, getting it in the oven. So I'm going to get some prep work done, and I'll meet you right back here. So y'all just hold on, okay? All right, first, y'all, I am browning up some ground beef. As soon as the ground beef gets brown, I'm going to add a can of refried beans and some sour cream, just a little bit first, okay? That is going to be my meat mixture. In the meantime, I am prepping some bell peppers. I'm not going to cook them. I want a little bit of crunchiness in my layers, okay? We'll get to that in a minute. Right now, I'm browning the ground beef. Add this and add some of this, okay? That's going to be my mixture, and I'll let you see what that looks like in a minute. All right, y'all, I got these in here. I'm fixing to combine all this together and stir it up. I forgot to tell you, a packet of taco seasoning mix. Okay, I'm fixing to get all this stirred up, well incorporated, and then I'll show you the next step. Just a couple of things, y'all. If you don't want to use tortillas, by all means, you can do noodles and have a completely different kind of lasagna using the lasagna noodles. But since this is like, you know, taco-y, I'm using the taco shells. Also, if you don't want to use sour cream, you can use cream cheese. I don't have any cream cheese, so I'm just using what I got on hand, talking hand, y'all, and it's sour cream. And y'all, it's smelling good up in here, okay? All right, y'all, that's browned up. This is the vegetables I'm going to use. By all means, you can use whatever you want to. Diced tomatoes, olives, red, yellow, and orange bell pepper, and of course cheese, y'all. You're just gonna start assembling this like you're doing a lasagna. Now, I've got a square pan here. Normally when I do this, I have a round glass baking dish. I'm not at home, y'all. I'm using what I've got, and a square one that's up there is a little bit too small for this tortilla, so I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to keep it in a round shape, okay? If you want to do it square and you want to take the time to cut your tortillas and layer them in there, that's fine. But y'all, I'm trying to put supper on the table, okay? And quickly, just to show y'all how quick this comes together. So I'm going to start layering this just like a lasagna. Meat mixture, and I'm only going to do like 3 layers, y'all, okay? I'm going to have this like 3 layers thick, all right? So we're going to put meat mixture. I need to make sure I have enough for the other 2 layers. That looks good. If one layer's got more than the other, y'all, that's fine. Now, I'm trying to remember to stay a little, not all the way off of the edge, because y'all, when I cut into this, it's going to squirt out. Okay, so let's get our first layer on. There we go. If that top layer has more, that's fine. That'll be all good and dandy. Okay, so let's see. Now we're going to do some peppers, and I'm just going to put them on here. I want a little crunch. That's why I left them raw, okay? If you want to cook yours in with your meat, that's fine. You can do them however you want to. I want to get a little bite of pepper in each bite. Oh, we better save some peppers. I got 2 more layers to go. All right, now the tomatoes. Y'all, my hands are clean. This is for me and my husband, and we're going to be fine. Okay, so we got tomatoes on here. Okay, so you're going to put whatever kind of vegetables you want. I'm going to use these tomatoes. Ooh, yeah. It's already smelling good, and I don't even have it in the oven. Speaking of oven, I've got the oven preheating olives. I've got I've got the oven preheating to about 350 because we're going to put this in the oven and let this just bake and come together so good and melt all the cheeses. Ow! That little thing is sharp, y'all. Be careful. Reaching in a can. I should have dumped them out on the tray. That's all right. We got this, babe. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to layer my vegetables, y'all. That's going to be enough for 2 more layers. There we go. Look, you look lonely there. You look like you needed a little olive. Yeah, he's lonely over there, too. Cheese, y'all. Layer of fantastic shredded cheese. Y'all, you can use the Fiesta or the Mexican blend, whatever they call it. You can use the cheese of your choice, okay? So this is basically going to be my layers, okay? I'm going to repeat this same process 2 more times, then we'll top it off, okay? All right, y'all, here it is before it goes in the oven. This is going to be going in a 350-degree oven and until everything gets good and melted and incorporated, okay? And then I'll let you see what it looks like when it comes out and get it plated up, okay? Y'all, does that not look good and bubbly? Do y'all hear that? Just let you listen a second. Put your phone up there. Put your ear up there. Can you hear it? Y'all hear that goodness? Out of the oven, I'm fixing to plate it up. Got it plated up, y'all. Just for the sake of taste testing, okay? To see how good it is. Y'all, it's smelling good up in here. I gotta blow on this, y'all, okay? Y'all see that stain? Look at this. Look at that cheese. Look at those layers. Do you smell it? You want a bite? Open wide. I'm going to just taste test this for right now. And then I'm going to put some salsa on top and a little dollop of sour cream. A little dollop of Daisy. Y'all, that's delicious. I feel like I got it all over my face. Do I have it all over my face? Okay. Yeah, I got that crunch of pepper in there. That's what I wanted. And the olives. Y'all, I'm going to top it with salsa and sour cream. That is supper tonight, y'all. And it literally, just prepping, stuff like that, I think all in all, maybe 45 minutes from start to finish. Now, that's including browning the meat, cutting up the vegetables, all that good stuff. Finishing in the baking time, 45 minutes from start to finish. Y'all go have you some taco lasagna, but you can't have mine. I'm going to enjoy mine. I'll see y'all in the next video.